All parties Hurriyat conference leaders have said that the Kashmiri martyrs are the symbols of resistance against India's illegal occupation over Jammu and Kashmir, and their sacrifices will be safeguarded at all costs. The APHC leaders, in their messages and statements, paid glowing tributes to the popular youth leader Burhan Wani on the eve of his 7th martyrdom anniversary. Complete shutdown will be observed in occupied Kashmir on Saturday to mark the 7th martyrdom anniversary of the popular youth leader Burhan Wani. Call for the shutdown has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference to pay glowing tributes to Burhan Wani and other martyrs of the Kashmir freedom movement, and supported by all pro-freedom leaders and organizations. At a time when Narendra Modi-led Indian government is hell-bent upon stoking the communal discord in occupied Kashmir, Kashmiri Muslims, keeping the communal harmony and the spirit of brotherhood alive in the territory, that is being witnessed during the ongoing annual Hindu Amarnath Yatra, as the local population is not only welcoming but also assisting the hundreds and thousands of the Hindu devotees in their religious harmony. Legal Forum for Kashmir in its latest report has said that the civilian population in the occupied Kashmir is facing tough situation under the prolonged Indian military occupation. LFK released its biannual report titled as Human Rights Situation in Indian Illegally Occupied Jammu and Kashmir, January to June 2023. The report shed light on the ongoing human rights situation in the occupied territory during the first half of the 2023. Indian troops have arrested 2 youth. The troops arrested a youth identified as Muhammad Siddiq during a cordon and search operation in Kreri area of the Baramulla district. Indian Border Security Force troops arrested another youth, Zulfikar Ali, in RS Pura area of the Jammu district. A soldier of the Indian Border Security Force committed suicide in the Samba district. The BSF man, identified as Naresh Kumar, shot himself dead at a post of the district. This incident raised the number of such deaths amongst the Indian troops in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir to 572 since January 2007 till date. Indian police arrested over a dozen persons for not standing up to India's national anthem during an official event in the occupied Kashmir. Over a dozen persons were arrested for not standing up to the Indian anthem during an official event in Srinagar in June, with the BJP appointed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha in attendance. 14 people were arrested under the black law.